Nagaland has been reeling for 2 days of exceptional heavy rainfall, leading to widespread destruction of property, crops, and critical infrastructure. According to the India Meteorological Department (IMD), Nagaland has received rainfall that was 393% above normal during the past 2 days. This falls under the IMD's large excess category, which is defined as precipitation 60% or more above normal, while the usual rainfall for this period is estimated at 10.1 millimeters. The actual recorded rainfall surged to 49.8 millimeters. The impact has been severe across the state in Dimapur and surrounding areas like Nagaland. Incessant rains on July 5th and 6th caused widespread inundation. Residential areas, agricultural fields, and fish ponds have been submerged, displacing thousands of farmers and severely impacting their livelihoods. Reports indicate that at least 3 fatalities due to electrocutions have occurred in Dimapur amid the floods. Furthermore, flight operations of Dimapur airport was cancelled on Sunday due to runway waterlogging. Mokokchung district also experienced major excess rainfall, recording 371% above normal, with damages reported to road infrastructure, including the Mokokchung-Mariani Road, National Highway 72D. The Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority had previously issued warnings for widespread rainfall and has advised citizens to exercise extreme caution, particularly in vulnerable zones prone to waterlogging and landslides. Rescue and restoration efforts are underway. However, continuous rainfall in many parts of the state continues to create disturbance, immediate access to affected areas, and relief operations. Authorities are assessing the full extent of the damage as the state braces for continued heavy rainfall as per IMD's focus for the coming days. That's all for now. I'm Manasangma and thank you for watching us.
Oy sengbo, chaani ko apsan tochi jo taitainas kang sengbo. Yan nang ni BNB mangna aruan sini samtang na namja. Anda kapat ko chaani chi dengtang sabisi ko manama. Yan da kapat orang ko basa ko ba di jakal na paltaya, soegala, arunala rango pakegala. Di ba daw de? Ruko, ya repurpose use cooking oil ni skimo, ya toko biodiesel tari nagta jakalgen. Unigaman sengbo, antang ni BNB mang arunang ni samtang ko name rakibo.